Hey guys, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by. I have something new to share with you besides this beautiful teal envelope. It's actually a new monthly club that I'm subscribed to. It just started and it's through Tailored Expressions. You may or may not know about Tailored Expressions, but she has a small company, kind of a family company, but it's, I guess, a large family company, but not, like a big Ranger or Hero Arts or that kind of company. And she designs her own products. And she has stencils, layering stencils. And then some of them they call the quads. And I found out about her early last year, I think. Or the end of the year before, she participated in the Crop and Create events, card making events that I've been doing. And that was the first time I'd seen a quad. And so now this month, she has started a monthly quad club. It's a mouthful. And the first one is called Surprise Party. And what the deal is, if you're not familiar with them, is that you use layering stencils, and I'll show you the stencils, and you layer them, and there's 4. And after you get done, you actually end up having 4 separate panels that you cut. And so you've got 4 separate card fronts. So it's kind of cool. I have a couple of others. I have I think 1 or 2 of the slimline ones, and then a couple of this size ones. So let me show you. And then, like she's showing, you can use whatever colors you want to. This one says birthday on it. And this one is a popper. But these 2 can be used for, or even that one can just be used for a celebration, not necessarily a birthday. So every month we'll be getting a different one. With her club, you have to sign up for 3 months minimum at a time. I don't know if that'll change in the future or not. They're once you get used to them, they're really easy to use. Let me see if I can get a large enough paper so you can see. This one's not too bad. All right, so this is stencil number 1. And so when you take it, there's little etched lines, but there's also these little holes, or squares, here and here. So, and then on this side. And so if you lay it down on a large piece of paper, let's see if I have, nope, I don't think so. I use like 11 by 17. And then you mark the holes, then you'll be able to line right up without any issues. So this would be your first stencil. And then when you're done with that one, then the next color will be that one. So it's adding, each time it's adding a little bit different, see? Like there's holes that aren't lining up here. A few of these will line or overlap. And it's spelling out birthday. And this is the next one, so this would be your third color. And there's the different parts of the pinwheel. And then this would be your last layer and your last color. So let me see if I can, if I put this on white, if you'll be able to see through. Nope. Let's see if I put the other light on. Kind of, sort of. You can see the other letters through. So, like I said, it's pretty simple when you do it. Let me see if I have one to show you from before. So the first time I ever did a quad, it was these like octagon shapes. And so here's two, and you can see, so this would be like two parts of the panel. And so it's got the 4 different colors for the 4 different stencils. And then you cut them and add a sentiment, and you've got 4 cards very quickly. So let me show you. They also have a binder to keep them in. So I just picked that up now that I'll be getting them in the club. So let's see if I put it this way. This one is the quad that I just showed you, and how, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, okay, so this is the quad that I just showed you. So it made 4 different card fronts. And then this is a birthday one that I did before. And this one had 3 stencils. This one had 4. So it depends on how many layers there are. And then this is a slimline. With flowers. And then the last event last fall that we did was this Fall Harvest slimline card with the leaves, and it also came with a little stamp and die set. So they're pretty ingenious, I think, and a great way to make some quick cards. In a hurry. So that's it. So you'll be seeing, I'll make maybe before, if I have time before I go on vacation, I will do a video with this one showing how it looks. It's really quick. So let me know in comments if you've ever seen these before, and if so, if you've used them. and what you think about them. I think, I just think they're pretty cool. And I'm anxious to see what she comes up with every month. This first one, she said, is called Surprise Party because you signed up without knowing what it was going to be, so it was a surprise. So, yeah, so let me know in comments what you think. Let me know if you've used them before and how you like them. So that's it. Tailored Expressions, Creator Quads, Layering Stencils. I like. And I highly recommend if you want something different in your stash. So that's it. So thank you for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, you can hit that subscribe button. And then if you want, you can hit the bell and it will send you notifications when there's a new video. Oh, and the like button. If you like the videos when you watch them, please hit the like button. It helps to move my channel up in the ranks of when YouTube recommends a video. So it's very helpful. All right, so that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.